Ready to refresh the look of your bathroom? Discover the satisfaction and savings of instant renewal with RUST-OLEUM Specialty Tub and Tile Kit. For completely refreshed tub and tile surfaces, this superior performance paint provides a high-gloss finish that looks like real porcelain and ceramic. Specialty Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit is a 2-part epoxy acrylic that provides excellent adhesion, durability, and color retention in high moisture areas. Each kit covers 2 coats 70 to 110 square feet, suitable for a standard bathtub. Before you begin, be sure to read all directions thoroughly. Inspect the surface and repair any chips or cracks with a patching compound like liquid steel. To wash away mildew, use a solution of bleach and water and rinse thoroughly. If necessary, scrub the surface with an abrasive cleaner like Comet. Finally, be sure to remove any caulk and wipe the area dry. Prepare the surface with an abrasive pad and lime away. Let stand for 5 minutes. Scrub the entire surface and repeat if necessary before rinsing with water. Next, sand the surface with 400 to 600 grit wet-dry sandpaper. Rinse thoroughly to remove all residue. Allow surface to dry completely before applying paint. Once dry, wipe down the surface with a tack cloth to remove all dust. Before painting, use painter's tape to mask your coverage area, including around metal drains and hardware. Now you're ready to paint. It is extremely important to begin by opening windows or using fans to properly ventilate the area. Once the area is well ventilated, thoroughly stir Part A and Part B separately to mix any pigment that may have settled at the bottom. Wearing disposable gloves and safety glasses, add Part A to Part B and mix for 2 minutes. Once combined, be sure to use within 6 hours of mixing. To create a smooth finish, apply the mixture using a high-quality 4-inch short nap roller made for kitchen and bath use. Avoid excessive brushing or rolling, using light, even strokes while keeping a wet edge as you go. For touch-ups and corners, use a small foam brush. Small bubbles will appear on the surface while painting. As the paint dries, bubbles will disappear due to its self-leveling properties. Always allow freshly painted surfaces to dry for at least 1 hour before applying a second coat. Remove painter's tape after 1 hour of final top coat. Wait 3 days to expose the surface to water. Before full use, re-caulk affected areas and allow for dry times per the manufacturer's instructions. To protect your newly painted surface when cleaning, use non-abrasive products. It's that simple. Now it's time to enjoy your beautifully renewed tub and tile surfaces. Ready to take on your next project? Explore a wide range of products and ideas to refresh the look of your home at RUST-OLEUM.com.